Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class. Today we will read chapter 9 of literature. Dr. Dolittle learns a new language. So before starting chapter, my question is, how do we communicate? How do we communicate? So we communicate by speaking, by writing a message, or we can use some secret code language also, and by signal symbols also. We can use some code languages, right? And now, how animals communicate? Do you know how animals communicate? They can't speak, but they can communicate to each other with their different languages. Uh, they not only use their mouth to speak, they can use their ears, they can use their tails, they can use their legs, their tongue, right? Sometimes they lick, sometimes they shake their body, sometimes they move their tails, right? So there are the different ways through which animals communicate. So first is like, there are four animals here: ape, elephant, monkey, and dog. What you have to find, which animal is this? First, greet each other by touching hands. So which animal greet each other by touching hand? Second is stretch their front legs out in front of them and lower their bodies when they want to play. Third is show affection by intuning their long nose. So long noses here you can easily understand. Fourth is stick out their tongue to show their anger. जब उन्हें गुस्सा आता है, what they do? Stick out their tongues. So let's start the chapter. Here is Dr. John Dolittle. MD was a proper doctor and knew a whole lot. What is here? There is a doctor, Dr. Dolittle. Dr. Dolittle is the name of a doctor. He's MD. MD. He was a MD, means doctor of medicines. He was very intelligent. He knew her whole a lot. उनको अपने बारे अपने मतलब जो उनका था, जो जिस चीज को वो ट्रीट करते थे, he was having very much knowledge about that. He lived in a little town called Puddleby on the marsh. Where he lived? He lived in the town called Puddleby on the marsh. All the people, young and old, knew him well. सब लोग उनको बहुत अच्छे से जानते थे, चाहे कोई वो old हो, चाहे कोई वो छोटा बच्चा हो, सब उनको बहुत अच्छे से जानते. And whenever he walked down the street on his high hat, everyone would say, "There goes the doctor. He is a clever man." जब वो अपने घर से बाहर निकलते थे, तो सब लोग उनको बोलते थे, "ओ देखो, डॉक्टर आ गए हैं, and he is a clever man." Clever means here means intelligent, wise. And the dogs and the children would all run up and follow behind him. And even the crows that lived in the church tower would cow and nod their heads. Can you imagine? डॉग भी उनके पीछे जा रहे हैं, और जो क्रोज हैं जो चर्च के टावर पर बैठे हैं, उनको देखकर वो भी काव काव करते थे और अपना उनको ग्रीट करने के लिए अपना हेड नॉड करते थे. The house he lived in on the edge of the town was quite small, but his garden was very large and had a wide lawn and stone seats and weeping willows hanging over. उनका घर जो था वो तो बहुत छोटा था, but he is having a very wide garden. बहुत बड़ा garden था जिसमें जो seats थी for sitting, stone seats थी, पत्थर की बनी हुई थी, and willow trees were there. Willow trees, मतलब it's a kind of tree, right? He was very fond of animals and kept many kinds of pets. Do you love pets? Do you love pets? Do you have pets at your home? Okay, so just like this, Dr. Dolittle जो थे, he loved animals. उनको animals बहुत पसंद थे और उन्होंने अपने घर में बहुत सारे animals को रखा हुआ था. तो which were the animals? Besides the goldfish in the pond in his garden में pond में goldfish तो थी, उसके साथ साथ he had rabbits in the pantry. Pantry means kitchen. Kitchen में rabbits थे. White mice in his piano, a squirrel in the linen closet. Closet means cupboard, and a hedgehog in the cellar. He had a cow, with a calf too. He was having a cow also with a calf too, and an old lame horse. 25 years of age. Horse. What was the age of the horse? 25 years. And chickens and pigeons and two lambs and many other animals. But his favorite pets were Dab Dab the duck, Jip the dog, Polynesia the parrot and the owl Tutu. The four were his favorite animals. First was Dab Dab the duck. Second was Jip the dog. Third was Polynesia the parrot. And fourth was Owl Tutu. When you love animals so much, why don't you doctor them? Asked Polynesia one day. One day Polynesia, who was Polynesia? Polynesia was a parrot. वो पूछता है, he asked, if you loved animals, अगर तुमको animals इतने पसंद है तो तुम उनका ट्रीटमेंट क्यों नहीं करते हो? तुम उनके डॉक्टर क्यों नहीं बन जाते हो? Take care of animals, be an animal doctor. आप animals की take care करो और उनके डॉक्टर बन जाओ. I don't treat animals because I am a doctor for people and there are plenty of animal doctor. वो बोलते हैं कि मैं animals का treatment नहीं कर सकता, मैं इंसानों का human beings का डॉक्टर हूँ और animals के तो बहुत सारे doctors हैं, plenty of animal doctors are there, said John Dolittle, putting the flower pots outside on the windowsills to get the rain. What was he doing that time? वो अपने फ्लावर पॉट को उठाकर विंडो पर रख रहे थे कि जब रेन आएगी तो the plant will get the water. Yes, there are plenty, said Polynesia. Polynesia बोलता है, yes, there are plenty, बहुत सारे डॉक्टर हैं, but none of them are very good at all. लेकिन उसमें से कोई भी बहुत अच्छा नहीं है. Now listen, doctor, and I will tell you something. Did you know that animals can talk? मैं आपको तुम्हें कुछ बताता हूँ डॉक्टर, सुनो. Do you know that animals can talk? कि animals बात कर सकते हैं. I knew that parrots can talk, said the doctor. डॉक्टर बोलते हैं, हाँ मुझे पता है कि parrots can talk, parrots बात कर सकते हैं. Oh, we parrots can talk in two languages, people's language and birds language. तो parrot proudly बोलता है, तो मतलब oh, what he said proudly. Yes, we parrots can talk in two languages. First in parrots people language and second is bird language. If I say Polly wants a cracker, you understand me, but hear this. अब क्या बोलते हैं वो पैरट बोलते हैं, अगर मैं बोलूंगा Polly wants a cracker तो तुमको समझ आ जाएगा. But if I say good gracious, cried the doctor, what does that mean? अब डॉक्टर बोलता है एक्साइटेड होकर, हैरान होकर, अरे what does it mean? क्या बोल रहे हो तुम ये? That means is the porridge hot yet? In bird language वो बोलते हैं कि मैं bird language में बोल रहा हूँ, is the porridge hot yet? Porridge is a dish that is made of oatmeal and cereals, like means दलिया, कि क्या अभी तक porridge गर्म है? Oh my, said the doctor, you never talked that way to me before. लेकिन तुमने पहले तो मुझसे इस language में कभी बात नहीं की. That would have been the good, said Polynesia. Polynesia बोलता है, क्या फायदा, क्या अच्छा होता. For dusting some cracker crumbs off her left wing. Dusting means ऐसे remove करना. वो अपने left wing से कुछ remove करता है, dust remove करता है. You would not have understand me if I had. अगर मैं ऐसे बात करता तो तुम्हें मेरी बात समझ नहीं आती. Right? Now come to next page. Page number 128. Tell me some more, said the doctor excitedly. डॉक्टर को एक्साइटमेंट आ जाता है. आपको कुछ नया सीखने को मिले तो आप भी एक्साइटेड हो जाते हो ना. अरे tell me some more, मुझे और बताओ. He quickly ran over to the dresser drawer. Dresser drawer means cupboard with shelves etc. And came back with a book and a pencil. वो एक cupboard से एक book और एक pencil निकाल कर लाते हैं. Now don't go too fast. अब तेज मत बोलना. I will write it down. मैं इसको अपनी बुक में लिखूंगा. This is interesting, very interesting, something quite new. Give me the birds ABC first slowly now. ABC means like when we put small kid in a school, what he learns first? ABC means alphabets in English, 1, 2, 3 in maths and in Hindi. So these are the initial things, starting things. Before learning any language, these are the alphabets, like starting point. So what he wants to learn first? ABC of animals language. So that was the way the doctor came to know that animals had a language of their own and could talk to one another. इस तरह से animal को doctor को पता चला कि animals are also having their own language and they can talk to each other in their own language. And all that afternoon, while it was raining, Polynesia sat on the kitchen table patiently giving him words to put down in the book. It was raining outside. As I told you, it was raining. That's why Dr. Doolittle put his flower pot at the window. अब बारिश हो रही होती है बाहर. डॉक्टर जो पोलिनेशिया है वो आराम से पूरा दिन डॉक्टर को बर्ड लैंग्वेज सिखाता रहता है. At tea time, when the dog Jip came in, he was having dog also. No, that was named his name was Jip, and was his favorite dog animal. When the dog Jip came in, the parrot said, "The doctor, see, he is talking to you." वो बोलता है, पोलिनेशिया जो पैरट था वो बोलता है, देखो डॉक्टर, ये जो जिप है ये तुमसे बात कर रहा है. Looks at me as though he were scratching his ear, said the doctor. डॉक्टर कहता है, अरे देखो ये तो अपने ईयर को स्क्रैच कर रहा है, ऐसे खुजा रहा है, ये मुझसे बात कहाँ कर रहा है. But animals don't always speak with their mouth, said the parrot in a high voice. अब पैरट को गुस्सा आ जाता है. पैरट कहता है, वो हमेशा बस अपनी माउथ से ही बात नहीं करते हैं, right? Raising her eyebrows, they talk with their ears, with their feet, with their tails, with everything. ऐसा नहीं है कि जो animals होते हैं वो बस अपने mouth से ही बात करते हैं. They can talk with their everything, like with their ears, with their tail, with their legs, with their feet, everything. Sometimes they don't want to make a noise. कई बार वो आवाज करना नहीं चाहते हैं. Do you see how way he is twitching up one side of his nose? आपने देखा वो किस तरह से अपनी नोज को ट्विचिंग मींस स्लाइटली जर्क, किस तरह से वो अपनी नोज को जर्क कर रहा है. What does that mean? asked the doctor. अब डॉक्टर पूछता है इसका मतलब क्या है. That means, can't you see that it has stopped raining? Clearly he wants you to take him out for walk. आपको दिख नहीं रहा है कि बारिश रुक गई है. वो कहना चाहता है कि बारिश रुक गई है और वो वॉक पर जाना चाहता है. Polynesia answered, he is asking you a question. Dogs nearly always use their noses for asking questions. अब वो पूछता है कि क्या डॉग्स हमेशा अपनी नोज का यूज करते हैं क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए. After a while, with the parrot help, the doctor got to learn the language of the animals so well that he could talk to them himself and understand everything they said. अब क्या होता है, पूरा दिन लैंग्वेज सीखने के बाद डॉक्टर was expert now. उसको पूरी तरह से आ जाता है कि कैसे एनिमल्स बात करते हैं, उनको एनिमल्स की लैंग्वेज समझ आ जाती है. Polynesia brought her sick friends and the doctor began to treat their illness. अब Polynesia क्या स्टार्ट करता है, अपने sick friends को, जो बीमार उसके दोस्त होते हैं उनको लाना स्टार्ट करता है और जो डॉक्टर थे वो उनको ट्रीट करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. One day a farmer brought his old plow horse to the doctor. अब एक दिन एक फार्मर जो थे वो अपने बूढ़े मतलब बीमार हॉर्स को डॉक्टर के पास लेकर आते हैं. The poor horse was very glad to find a man who could talk in horse language. अब जो हॉर्स था वो भी बहुत खुश होता है ये देखकर कि जो डॉक्टर है वो हॉर्स की लैंग्वेज समझ सकता है. वी विल डिस्कस द फर्दर चैप्टर इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. Till then, bye. Watch the video carefully and read the chapter once again. Okay, till then, bye. Take